Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can clear cache on Cloudflare. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So first, after you log into your Cloudflare account, just go ahead and select your domain. So go ahead and now that you're here, what you will have to do is basically look for configuration. Okay, so again, go back, click this three dots right here, and then you would just have to click configuration caching, which is right here, and then just go ahead and wait for it to load. And now what you will have to do is click purge, or either custom purge or purge everything, and then after that you will just have to uh again click that to clear the entire cache, or again the custom purge if you want to clear specific URLs. And yeah, finally refresh your website after doing that, so and verify that the changes are visible, and if something doesn't appear, clear your browser cache as well. And yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.